Dear students, today I'm going to do I'm going to do the problems on even and odd functions. The previous video, I uploaded the properties of even and odd functions. Now I'm going to explain the related problems. Once you go through that video, you'll get an idea what is even function, what is odd function. You should be familiar with the properties also. Now I will explain the different types of problems using the concept of even and odd function. Now you can see I will explain this problem. A function whose graph is symmetrical about the origin. Symmetrical about the origin is given by. It is symmetrical about the origin. When they say it is symmetrical about the origin, just remember symmetrical about the origin. When the graph is symmetrical about the origin, so definitely the graph should be odd function. If the graph is symmetrical about y-axis, it is an even function. So indirectly they are asking you should find which of the following is an odd function. They are asking in the given following, what about the odd function here? Given four options. So which of the following one has an odd function? They are asking, right? Here symmetrical about the origin. So clearly they are asking about odd function. Now you can see. So the rule of odd function, f of minus x equal to minus f of x. But look into this, the first option, look into this first option, f of minus x, if I take this one, 3 power minus x, minus of my 3 power x, we got f of x. So what do you decide? This is even function, right? So this is even. f of minus x equal to f of x, the first one is even function. Even. You can check this. Clearly we know that cos of anything, cos function is an even function. But logarithm, log of x plus root of 1 plus x square, that is odd function. Cos of logarithm, you can see here. Cos this will be, if you think about this one, here, logarithm, this function is odd. And cos function is even. So when they are taking composite functions, so you can consider here, suppose I have taken here, f of x is equal to cos x. And I can write this one, some g of x is equal to log of, again log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. Suppose you take, this is g of x is equal to log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. Clearly we know that cos x is even function. Cos x is an even function. I can verify this. You can say g of minus, because f of minus x, cos of minus x, cos x, this is even function. If you think log of g of minus x, so you can replace log of minus x whole square, right? It will be 1 plus x square. You rationalize this, I am verifying here. You rationalize this, it will come here log of, if this one, if you rationalize here, with 1 by x plus root of 1 plus x square. You rationalize this, so this will become, if you rationalize with this will become here minus x square plus 1 plus x square. 1 by, it will come 1 by, this will become now log of x plus root of 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. So minus of log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. So this is minus g of x. So you can see g of minus x equal to minus g of x is an odd function. So clearly this is the odd function. Since even odd, if you find f of g, so the composite function of this, since f is even, g is, or the composition function is even function, that will be even function, because cos of even function, cos of anything, even function. So this is also even. Think about the third one. What about third one? You can think here. Third one, whether it is even or not, you can verify now. So here, f of x plus y equal f of x plus f of y. Option they are asking odd function. First one is even, second one is even. Coming to the third option, you can check here. So if you verify this result will be true, you can check. You can also verify. For example, you take this is an f of x plus y is an odd function. Let it be odd function means what can I write? F of, I can write minus of x plus y. So it should be equal to minus of f of x plus y I can write. Let it be if it is odd function. Even I can write f of minus x equal to minus f of x. I can write f of minus y equal to minus f of y. Correct? Let it be if it is odd function, I can express like this. Now you can see here, this is left hand side, I can write I can replace this one, right? F of minus of x plus y I have taken. Minus of f of x plus y. If it is odd function. So I can write minus of f of x plus y equal to minus of f of x minus of f of y. So definitely this result holds. That means this is an odd function always. If f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y, for all x y belongs to R is an odd function. You can verify. So this I can write this is equal to this plus this. To take minus common, get cancelled. I can conclude here, right? I can conclude from these two. So clearly this is an odd function. Correct. So here we have learned this is even function. Second one is a composite function. In composite, so f is even, g is odd, f of g is even function. That it's clear, right? Now coming to the third one is an odd function. I explained here, you can observe here. So your answer is third option here. Now we'll do the next problem. Now you can see, just observe the previous problem, then you can tell your answer immediately. Just you can think about that. I given f of x secant of log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. Just observe the previous problem, then your answer will be easy, you can do that. So clearly we explained this one. This is odd function, right? And secant of this will be even. So even of odd will be even function. Correct? Your answer is even. Just observe the first problem, then you can find this answer. This is odd. Secant, the composite function is even function. So now the next problem. Now see in this problem, if the function f satisfies the relation f of x plus y equal to f of x minus y is equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. For all x y belongs to R, and f of 0 not equal to 0, then f of x is. Generally, suppose if f is an if f is an odd function and it is defined at x equal to 0, definitely f of 0 should be 0. Again, you can listen this. Suppose if f is an odd function and it is defined at x equal to 0, definitely f of 0 equal to 0, definitely. Suppose f of 0 is not equal to 0 means then it is not odd function. So here definitely we can eliminate it is not odd function. When f of 0 not equal to 0 means the chances I can eliminate option B. It is not an odd function. I can eliminate this. I can eliminate this. So they are given if f of is greater than 0 condition, an even function. Now you can observe here. So these are the options we have. Definitely it is not odd function. Now it is not odd means I can eliminate this also. Odd if f of is greater than 0. But coming to even or neither even nor odd, I can check. But I am taking this one. Suppose f of x plus y. So we plus f of x minus y, which is equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. So by convenient, replace x with y with x. You can replace. So if you can replace x with y with x, then what will come? You can replace x with y and also y with x. If interchange. So this what will come here? Y plus x plus f of y minus x, which is equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. Correct? I have written like this. Just replace x with y and y with x. For convenient, I have done that. So this is the equation. So this is the given equation, right? F of x plus y plus f of x minus y equal to 2 into f of x into f of y. If you subtract this, so I can eliminate, right? So you will get f of y minus x minus f of x minus y equal to 0, right? Transfer that side. F of y minus x equal to f of x minus y. You can check now. So replace now, replace minus of this, it comes this only, right? It's an even function. F of, you can see y minus x equal to, so what is the meaning of this? F of minus of x minus y, correct? You can observe here. So the meaning I can write f of minus of x minus y, which is equal to f of x minus y. Correct? Okay, minus of this is f of x minus y. It's an even function. Correct? I can decide even function. Otherwise, I can try another way. Look into this. I can decide the function is even. Still, if you are doubt, then you can also think. Suppose replace y with 2x. So replace y with 2x. If you replace y with 2x minus x, f of x is equal to replace by the 2x f of minus x. Correct? I can decide even function, right? Replace y with 2x. Replace y with 2x. then f of x equal to f of minus x. It's an even function. This will also will check. The function is even function. So your answer is an even function. Correct. So this is the problem I have done here. This is the model. Observe here what I have done here. You can observe here how I have done this. Model is important here. So the function is, like, we can decide an even function. Now I will explain. Now see, in this problem they are asking f of x equal to sin to the power of 2021x by step of x by pi plus 1 by 2. So these are the four options. Now to verify even or odd function, the most important thing you can check to verify even or odd function. So here, now the maximum we can avoid this, both odd and even function you can avoid. Generally when f of x equal to 0 only, that will both even and odd, that we will see that. Now if we come into this, suppose verify, replace x with minus x, f of minus x. If we take f of minus x, this will be sin of minus x. So 2021, right? 2021 step of minus x by pi plus 1. Just replace x with minus x. Correct. This power is 2021 minus x. You can replace this. Now you can check. Suppose x is equal to multiple of n pi. That will be 0, right? Suppose you can think case 1. So the first case, you can consider x is equal to n pi. N belongs to z. In that case, what will be the function will be sin of, if we think about in this case, this function will be sin of minus x. So sin of minus x will be sin of minus n pi, this will be 0. So even the power of this one automatically is sin 2021. So minus x equal to sin of 2021 minus n pi will be 0, right? Because sin of n pi, same thing. Correct, whole power 21. It will be 0, the value will be 0, right? When this value is 0 means, you can think here. This is 0 means, what the f of minus x will be? So if we substitute here x replace with minus n pi, so the function f of minus x equal to 0, correct? Understood this? F of minus x equal to 0, we got it. Where you have taken when x is equal to n pi, right? Where x is equal to n pi you have taken, this will be 0, right? Suppose case 2, suppose not equal to n pi. X not equal to n pi, n belongs to z. It is not equal to n pi, n belongs to z. So you think in that case what will be the function? Not equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Now if we consider in this case, you can see here not equal to n pi. Now I can write f of minus x is equal to, correct? It will come sin of minus x whole power 2021 by stuff of minus x by pi plus 1 by 2. This is the function. So in this case, it is not equal to n pi means sin of minus x minus sin x, it will come here. I can write this one. I can write this is minus sin x and minus sin of 2021 of x I can write. Otherwise, I will do here I can write. So this one I can write here. Sin of minus x means sin of minus x minus sin 2021 of x by this one, important one. When you are talking stuff of minus x by pi, remember stuff of x by pi plus stuff of minus x by pi, which is equal to minus 1. This is the property of step function. Stuff of x by pi plus stuff of minus x by equal to minus 1. From this stuff of minus x by pi, I can replace this value minus 1 minus stuff of x by pi plus 1 by 2. Check now. This is minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2. You can take it minus common. So this will be equal to sin 2021 of x by stuff of x by pi minus 1 plus 1 by 2 will minus 1, take minus common, plus 1 by 2, which is equal to f of x. What it decides you can see now. We got which is equal to f of x, right? We got the value is equal to f of x, correct? We got f of x. So which is even function, right? So since we started with f of minus x, we got f of x. So what do you say? The result will be even function, right? I can say the function is even. So answer is an even function. The given problem is an even function. In this problem, they are given, this is the equation is given. To decide even or odd, the function, they are given periodic also. Periodic function I will discuss later also the concept. So the mainly I am talking about even or odd means here. So how to find f of x from here? in this equation replace x with 1 by x. So replace x with 1 by x. This will become 2 f of 1 by x plus 3 into f of x. So you get 1 by x square minus 1. Correct? Just replace x with 1 by x. Now the given equation is by half 3 into f of 1 by x, right? Because I can simplify this. So this one I can eliminate this. The given equation is this. So simultaneous equations I want. This is given. This is a simultaneous equations. Correct? So I can multiply. See this equation. I can multiply. You can see here. Suppose the given this is a 3 into f of 1 by x. The given equation 2 into f of x equal to x square minus 1. Correct? The first equation I want to eliminate this. So multiply this equation with 3 and multiply this equation. Correct? Multiply this equation with 2. So what will be this? You will get 6 f of 1 by x. You will get 9 f of x equal to 3 by x square minus 3. Multiply with 3. And this one to 6 f of 1 by x. You will get 4 f of x equal to 2x square minus 2. If I subtract this, right? So then I can eliminate this. This will be 5 f of x equal to, you will get 3 by x square. 3 by x square minus 3 minus 2x square plus 2. Check this. You will get f of x equal to 1 by 5. 3 by x square minus 2x square. You will get minus 3 plus 2. You will get, this will be minus 1. Correct? You will get minus 1. You can check here. If you want, I can simplify this, right? I can simplify this. You will get 3 by x square minus 2x square minus 1. You will get like this. So here, if you want to verify whether the function is even or odd, I can check f of minus x. I can check f of minus x. I can verify here. F of minus x, if there is no change in the function, means that is even function, right? Replace x with minus x. F of minus x, if we take, this will be 1 by 5. There is no change. 3 by x square minus 2x square minus 1. So which is equal to f of x. So answer is even function. So an even function, right? Your answer is an even function. There is no change in this. The function is an even function. That way we can decide here. So see in this problem they are given y equal to ax 2 plus bx 2 plus cx plus t is symmetric about the line x is equal to k, then a plus k. Then when they are asking, when they are saying it is symmetric about the line x is equal to k, then what is the meaning of this given here? F of k minus x is equal to f of k plus x. These two are same. These two are same. If we substitute in this, I can write these two are same, means I can write a into k plus x whole cube, b into k plus x whole square, c into k plus x plus d. So which is equal to, I can write k minus x, a into k minus x whole cube, b into k minus x whole square, c into k minus x plus d. Since it is symmetric about the line x is equal to k, this result will hold. Always it holds. Now I have taken, if I simplify this, so dt I can eliminate here. If I simplify this one, a into k plus x whole cube, I can take it this one, minus of k minus x whole cube, you transfer that side, b into k plus x whole square minus of k minus x whole square plus c into k plus x minus of k minus x, which is equal to 0. Transfer one side. You transfer one side. You can simplify here, a plus b whole cube minus b minus whole cube. You simplify. Here this also you can simplify. Now if I simplify here, you will get alternatives get cancelled, right? Only you can see here, it will come a into, you will get this is k cube, you will get here k cube. So your minus k cube will get cancelled. So you will get here, you can see 3k square. You can expand here, no problem. If you expand also, you will get k cube plus 3k square x plus 3kx square plus x cube. Same thing you will get alternative, right? So if I expand this one, so what will be, if I expand this one, you will get k cube. So minus k cube minus 3k square x minus plus 3k square x multiplied with negative. So this is minus 3k x square plus x cube plus b into, so then b into k square plus x square, you will get k square plus x square. Here also you will get, only you will get 2kx minus 2k is 4kx, right? Only 4kx it will come here. Suppose if you see into this one, I can kk, I can eliminate, you will get minus plus 2cx, you will get 2cx equal to 0, correct? Now even you can simplify here, minus k cube get cancelled, 3kx square get cancelled, x cube, 2ax cube, 2ax, we can see here 3k square x, 3k square x, in all the term x is common. So if I take x common here, I can write here 3k square 6k square a, 6k square a plus 4kb plus 2c into x. It is an identity. It is true for every x. It is true for every x. It is true for every x. Since it is an identity, it is true for every x. I can consider coefficient. This is 2a equal to 0. And also 6k square a plus 4kb plus 2c equal to 0. Then a equal to 0 I can write here. We got a value 0. Correct? If I, since a equal to 0 here, you will get 4kb equal to minus 2c. From this k is equal to minus 2c by, I can write 4b. This will be minus c by 2b, right? I want a plus k. Because a is 0, k is minus 2c by b. Your answer is minus c by 2b. Minus c by 2b, your answer, right? Your answer is minus c by 2b. That will be your answer. Fine. Next problem we will do. You see in this problem, f of x or sin power 4x by step of x by 2 plus 1 by 2. X belongs to open interval minus 2 comma 2. So be careful, they are given x belongs to minus 2 comma 2. So they are given here minus 2, 0, 2. Correct? Lies between, x belongs to between minus 2 to 0, 0 to 2. You should be careful here. Because there is, I want step of x by 2. Step of x by 2. That means actually x lies between here. The meaning here I can write minus 2 less than x less than 2. If I think by 2, so you get minus 1 less than x by 2 less than 1. It will come like this, right? Less than 1. Suppose if you take between minus 1 to 0, think between minus 1 less than x by 2 less than 0. In this case, what is step of x by 2 will be? If the value step of x by 2 between minus 1 and 0, it will be minus 1. So again, 0 less than or equal to x by 2 less than 1. In this case, step of x by 2 will be 0, right? You remember this. Correct? Just you remember this one. Correct? You got minus 1 here and this will be 0. Correct? Just you remember this is minus 1. Correct? Between minus 1 to 0, including 0 to 1 due to 0. Now you think, if I take the function f of x, at this value you can check the function, what will be happen now? F of x equal to sin power 4x by, if I take, this is the case, minus 1 to 0, if I take, that means x lies between minus 2 to 0. If I take in this case, the function step of x by 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2, when x by 2 lies between these two, right? I can write minus 1 less than x by 2 less than 0. Correct? I have written like this. Minus 1 less than x by 2. So the meaning here, which is equal to, you will get minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sin power 4x. Then you can see minus 2 less than x less than 0. In this case, you will get like this. Same thing, you can also write the function f of x. When in this case, it will be sin power 4x by, you will get 0 plus 1 by 2. Here you are considering 0 less than or equal to x by 2 less than 1, right? You are considering this one. 0 less than x by 2 less than 1. Correct? Now here we can see this will come 2 sine power 4x, I can write here 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. Correct? Finally, what the conclusion I can write here? See the final conclusion, f of x is equal to, you will get minus 2 sine power 4x when minus 2 less than x less than 0. Correct? And 2 sine power 4x, 2 sine power 4x when 0 less than or equal to x less than 2. Check that. When x is negative, this when x is positive, this. So you can observe here clearly the function is odd function. Correct? F of minus x equal to this one, which is equal to minus f of x, you will get function is an odd function. Clearly, function is f of x is an odd function. Right? You can write here. This is odd function. Your answer is odd function. Function is odd function. We should be careful. Then you got like this. So here we can decide the function is odd function. Now I'm going to verify whether the given function is even or odd. Should remember to verify whether the given function is even or odd. Suppose if I this one first I will simplify. If I expand this one, 1 plus e power 2x, 2 e power x by e power x. It will come like this, right? If I simplify, this is 1 by e power x, e power minus 6, e power 2x, e power 2x, e power x, e power x plus 2, it will come like this, right? This will be the function we got f of x. Now to verify even or odd, replace x with minus x, f of minus x. So minus of minus x, x. So this is minus x plus 2, there is no change, which is equal to f of x. F of minus x equal to f of x, therefore f of x is an even function. So this is an even function, right? This is easily you can verify this. The function is an even function. The given f is an even function. Define on closed interval minus pi comma pi. The even function defined on closed interval minus pi comma pi. Then the real values of x satisfying the equation f of x or f of x plus 1 by x plus 2, satisfying this equation. I can solve in two cases, right? First one, you can take it as it is, this given one, f of x equal to f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this, if you compare both the sides, x equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. So do the cross multiplication, just do the cross multiplication. Correct, just f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. So x square plus 2x is equal to x plus 1, right? Now you transfer this side, x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0, right? So no factors here, like you will get irrational roots. Like use minus b plus or minus, put a b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 1 plus or root of minus 1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac plus by 2, you will get minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So that one option is there, minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So this also one option is there. Still, but the given is an even function. Even function is an even function. What the rule here? F of minus x equal to f of x. Since the function is even, correct? Since f is an even function, correct? Since f is an even function. Since f is an even function, f of minus x equal to f of x. So I can replace here. This is I can replace f of minus x equal to, correct? So even function, both are same, right? I can write f of x plus 1 by x plus 2. Correct? This is f of x. If we comparing minus x equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2, right? So minus x square minus 2x equal to x plus 1. Transfer one side, x square will get that side plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now if we take the roots, minus 3 plus or minus b square, 9 minus 4, 5. So by 2. This is also one of the options. So your answers both A and first and second, both options are right. Both options are right. Correct? Now with this I have done few models like different types of problems based on even and odd function. I have completed this topic now. The next video I am going to explain about the periodic functions. After I will do relations, about the types of relations also I will discuss. So these are the important models. Don't miss that. You should try to solve all the problems. You will get a clear picture about this. So thank you.